Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to write clean code with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features not only help you code faster but also assist in maintaining clean, readable and efficient code. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorials on setting up Codeium. Open your code editor and start a new project or open an existing project where you want to implement clean code practices. Codeium's real-time code suggestions will help you write concise and efficient code. As you type, Codeium provides intelligent suggestions and that follow best practices and coding standards. To maintain clean code, always choose suggestions that enhance readability and simplicity. Avoid complex and overly verbose code snippets when simpler alternatives are available. Codeium also helps you with consistent naming conventions. Pay attention to its variable and function name suggestions, which often follow standard naming practices. Consistency in naming makes your code easier to understand and maintain. When refactoring your code, use Codeium suggestions to improve structure and reduce redundancy. It can suggest more efficient ways to write loops, conditionals, and other common structures. To ensure your code addresses to industry standards, configure Codeium to align with your preferred coding style guide. This helps in maintaining uniform code formatting across your projects. Take advantage of Codeium's documentation feature. It often suggests inline comments and documentation snippets that can help you document your code as you write, making it easier for others to understand. Regularly review and refactor your code with the help of Codeium's insights. It can point out potential improvements and optimizations, ensuring your code base remains clean and efficient. And that's you have it. By using Codeium, you can write clean, readable and maintainable code. This not only improves your coding efficiency but also makes your projects more robust and easier to work on in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.